In this video lecture, I will discuss what are the different string library functions in C programming. Let's discuss what are the difference of string library functions. There are different type of library string functions. One is string cpy, string cat, string length, string compare, string character, and string. First, we'll discuss what is string strcpy. This strcpy function is present inside the header file string.h. While writing the program, we have to include the header file string.h. Next, discuss what is string strcpy. String copy will copy the string, one string to another string. Here the string copy s2 will get copied in s1. Next, string cat strcat. String cat function will accept two strings and it will concat string 2 onto end of string 1. It will add the string 2 at the end of string 1, means it will act as a plus operator. String cat, concatenation of two strings. Next, we'll discuss what is strlen. String length. So strlen means this string function is used to find the length of a string, and it will return integer. So it will find the length of a string s1. Now, string compare strcmp. This string compare function will compare two strings. If both strings are equal, it will return 0. If s1 is greater than s2, if it returns 0 if s1 and s2 are same. Less than 0 if s1 is less than s2. Greater than 0 if s1 is greater than s2. Next, we'll discuss what is string character strchr. It will accept two strings s1 and one character, return a pointer to the first occurrence of a character in a string. Next, we are having different type of string functions, library functions. One is we have already discussed. We have already discussed gets and puts functions. These are the library functions, but this get and put function is present inside the header file stdio.h, not string.h. Let's discuss one example. How can you use this string? Inside the main method, I am writing the string name and printf enter a name, gets name. This function read from the user. Gets name will read the string from the user. Now it will print name, puts name function to display the string. Gets the function used to read the string, and puts function to display the string. Next, with one example, we'll discuss how can you copy the string, how can you concat the string, and how can you find the length of a string. Let's discuss this example. First, I am taking one string str1. The maximum size of a string is 12, and this string is hello. First string is hello. Now str2, this is the second string. I am writing the string is world, and I am declare another string, that is string strc, having maximum 12 characters. And for find the length, I am taking integer len. First we'll discuss how can you copy a string. I want to copy the string 1 into string 3. I want to copy the string 1 into string 3. Now how can you write the code for this? Here strcpy, str1, str3 comma str1. It means string 1 is get copied inside string 3. Once you print string 3, it will print the hello. It will print hello. Okay. Next we'll check how can you concat two strings. Next, strcat string cat means it will concat two strings, string 1 comma string 2. What is string 1? String 1 is hello and string 2 means this string 2 get copied at the end of string 1. If you print string 1, it will print the entire string. It will print hello world. Now we'll discuss how can you find the length of a string. len equal to strlen str1 means it will find the length of a string str1 means how many number of characters that are there inside the string 1, it will find the length. If you want to print len, it will find the length of a string is 4. That's 5 means sello. How many characters are there? That many number will be printed. Next we'll discuss what is string compare. String compare function will compare two strings. It will accept two parameters. It will check these two strings. It will, if the two strings are equal, then it will return 0. Let's discuss one example. Let's see. I have included stdio.h header file and also I have included string.h. Why I have included this string.h? Because I am going to write strcmp function. This string compare function is there inside this string.h header file. First character string 1 20, string 2 20, two strings I have declared, not initialized. Print, enter the first string, get string 1. Get string 1 means it will accept the string from the console. Print, enter second string, get string 2. This get function will accept the string from the console. Now compare the strings. If string compare str1 comma str2 equal to 0, print strings are equal. Else it will print the strings are not equal. I am entering the string. First string is hello. If I am entering second string is hello, the output is strings are equal. It will print the strings are equal. Next, string reverse. I have not mentioned this string inside my first slide, but strrev, this function is also present inside the string.h header file. This is a library function which will reverse a string. String reverse function returns reverse of a given string. Let's discuss how can you reverse a string. Here I am taking string str1, declare the string, enter the string. I am entering the string is hello and get string will read the string, print str, it will print hello. Now print strrev, string strrev. Now string reverse will reverse the string, so it will print ollel. It will reverse the string. Thank you.